Today we will see chapter 7 addition and subtraction up to 999. Let's recall. Add. One has been done for you. 9 plus 3 plus 2. You need to add 9 plus 3 which is 12. 12 plus 2 which is 14. Here 9, 3, 2 are called as addends and 14 is called the sum. The same way you need to add 46 plus 35, 24 plus 22 plus 51. Subtract. One has been done for you. 34 minus 3. Here 34 is the minute. 3 is called the subtrahend. And when you subtract 34 minus 3 which is 31, 31 is called the difference. The same way you need to subtract 44 minus 13 which is 31. 56 minus 37 which is 19. The result of addition is called the sum and the results of subtraction is called the difference. Subtract and check your subtraction using addition. 74 minus 43 which is 31. When you add 31 plus 43 you should get the same 74. Next comes the mental maths. Here is the activity which you need to complete. Next, addition. Adding 3-digit number with a 2-digit number without regrouping. Example, add 245 and 53. 5 is in 1's place, 4 is in 10's place, 2 is in 100's place. So, you need to add 245 to plus 53. So, first we need to add the ones, then we need to add the tens, then we need to add the hundreds. So, 245 plus 53 is 298. With regrouping, add 639 and 53. Add the ones, 9 plus 3 which is 12, ones which is equal to 1 tens plus 2 ones. Write 2 in the ones column and carry over 1 10 to the tens column. Add the tens, 3 plus 5 plus 1 carry over which is equal to 9 tens. Add the hundreds, 6 plus 0, 6 hundreds. Thus, 639 plus 53 is 692. Add 7 to 7 and 89. You need to add 727 plus 89 the same way which is equal to 816. Then here comes the practice coach. Add the following: 108 plus 61, 325 plus 74, 605 plus 93, 623 plus 45. The same way you need to add 3-digit number with a 2-digit number. Next comes the match the following. 234 plus 32. You need to add and check with the answers and match with the following. Add a 3-digit number with a 3-digit number. Here without regrouping, add 165 and 224. This is the same way with regrouping. Add 286 and 358. 3-digit number with a 3-digit number. The same way you have the practice coach where you need to add 426 plus 313. The same way you need to add 3-digit number with a 3-digit number. Fill in the boxes. You need to fill the boxes here. Next comes the word problem. There are 256 toys and 235 t-shirts in a store. How many items are there in all? You need to add 256 plus 235 which is 491. This is adding 3-digit number with a 3-digit number. So thus there are 491 items in the store. Then comes the practice coach. Here are the word problem. In a pond there are 414 blue fish and 265 goldfish. How many fishes are there in all? You need to add. Swapna scores 456 runs in the first match and 274 runs in the second match. How many runs did she score in all? A balloon seller has 362 red balloons and 252 green balloons. How many balloons does he have in all? In a library, there are 406 books of English, 431 books of Hindi and 142 books of mathematics. Help Mrs. Khanna, the librarian, count the total number of books. Then we have a subtraction. Subtracting 2-digit number from a 3-digit number without regrouping. Subtract 45 from 458. 458 minus 45. Subtract the ones first, then the tens, then the hundreds. So the answer is 413. With regrouping, subtract 95 from 362. Subtract the ones. Since 5 cannot be subtracted from 2, borrow 1 tens from the tens column and regroup 2 ones into 12 ones. Now 12 ones minus 5 ones, which is 7 ones. Subtract the tens. Since 1 is borrowed, 5 tens are left in the tens column. 9 cannot be subtracted from 5. Borrow 100 from the hundreds column and regroup 5 tens into 15 tens. 15 tens minus 9 tens, which is 6 tens. Subtract the hundreds. Since 100 is borrowed, 2 hundreds are left. 362 minus 95, which is 267. Now comes the practice coach. Subtract the following. 123 minus 12, 234 minus 12, 376 minus 24, 565 minus 43, 643 minus 21, 832 minus 21, 324 minus 43, 421 minus 43, 521 minus 24, 781 minus 90, 846 minus 67, 951 minus 73. Subtracting 3-digit number from a 3-digit number without regrouping. Subtract 142 from 765. 765 minus 142. Subtract the ones first, then subtract the tens, then subtract the hundreds. With regrouping, subtract 419 from 695. 695 minus 419. Subtract the ones. Since 9 cannot be subtracted from 5, regroup 5 ones into 15 ones by borrowing 1 tens from the tens column. 15 minus 9, which is 6 ones. Subtract the tens. Since 1 is borrowed, 8 tens are left. 8 minus 1, which is 7 tens. Subtract the hundreds. 6 minus 4, which is 200. Thus, 695 minus 419 is equal to 276. Subtract 389 from 854. Subtract the ones. Since 9 cannot be subtracted from 4, regroup 4 ones into 14 ones by borrowing 1 tens from the tens column. 14 minus 9, which is 5 ones. Subtract the tens. Since 1 is borrowed, 4 tens are left. 8 cannot be subtracted from 4. Borrow 100 from the hundreds column and regroup 4 tens into 14 tens. 14 minus 8, which is 6 tens. Subtract the hundreds. Since 100 is borrowed by the tens column, 7 hundreds are left. 7 minus 3, which is 400. So, thus 854 minus 389 is equal to 465. Then comes the practice coach. Subtract the following. 385 minus 111, 807 minus 507, 414 minus 314, 831 minus 498, 850 minus 275, 929 minus 190. Arrange in columns and subtract. Subtract 149 from 279. Subtract 255 from 498. Subtract 278 from 389. Here you need to match the following. 754 minus 238, 414 minus 162, 563 minus 235, 692 minus 245, 870 minus 490, 398 minus 299. Whatever the answer you get, you need to match with these answers in the other column. Then comes the word problem. Rishi has 246 party caps and Preeti has 138 party caps. Who has more and how many more? You need to subtract 256 minus 138, which is 118. Subtract the ones. 8 cannot be subtracted from 6. Regroup 6 ones in 16 ones by borrowing 1 tens from the tens column. That is 16 minus 8, 8 ones. Subtract the tens. Since 1 10 is borrowed by the ones column, 4 tens are left. 4 minus 3, which is 110. Subtract the hundreds. 2 minus 1, which is equal to 100. Thus, Rishi has 118 more party caps than Preeti. Solve the word problem. In a sports meet, 659 students participated and 245 of them were boys. Find the number of girls who participated in the meet. You need to subtract 649 minus 245. Reena's height is 139 centimeter. Mohit is 46 centimeter shorter than her. Find the height of Mohit. Next, the third one. A school was open for 298 days in a year. Find the total number of holidays in a year. In a year, we have 365 days. So, you need to subtract 365 minus 298. Placement of numbers. Numbers must always be placed in the correct column and then added or subtracted. We should always fill the column starting from the ones column. 306 plus 3, not the other way. 3 should be in the ones column. The same way, how to place 354 plus 32? 3 should be in the tens column. 2 should be in the ones column. It should not be the other way. Got it? How to place 569 minus 6? 569 minus 6. This is the wrong way. 775 minus 34. This is the correct way. This is the wrong way. Practice coach, place numbers in correct columns and solve. 754 plus 42, 356 plus 26, 987 minus 32, 872 minus 51. Fun with maths. Tangram is an ancient Chinese puzzle. It has 7 geometrical pieces. Solve the sums first and color the pieces as suggested. First you need to solve this and you can color with the resultant. Comes maths around us. There is an activity here. Next comes the number puzzle. First you need to add this and fill in the puzzle here. Down, up. Then comes the my project. Here is the revision station. Write the missing numbers. One has been done for you. Addition wheel. You need to add and write the answers here. This is a subtraction wheel. You need to subtract and write the answers here. A school library has 543 course books and 341 story books. How many books are there in all? You need to add. A shopkeeper has 287 books. If he sells 192 books on a particular day, how many books are left with him? You need to subtract. A florist has 239 red roses and rest are orchids. If there are 600 flowers in all, how many orchids are there? Solve true or false. Add here and check whether it is true or false. Fill in the blanks with plus or minus. Check here whether there should be addition symbol or there should be a subtraction symbol. Next comes the worksheet. Fill in the blanks given below with the correct terms. Find these terms in the given grid and color them with different colors. You can solve this puzzle and you can color them. In addition, the numbers that are to be added are called addends. The resultant term in addition is sum or total. The first term in subtraction is called minute. The second term in subtraction is called subtrahend. The resultant term in subtraction is called the difference. This completes chapter 7.